All right, it's minutes o'clock and time to make things happen. So how have the zip ties held up over 2 years of outside time and minimal, a little bit of use? Uh, well, they haven't held up great. You can see some of them are breaking off. What I'm in the process of doing right now, come in here, maybe we can get things to focus, is I'm coming through and doing some wire tying to replace zip ties. Just over the course, they're tending to break, and part of that's because of sun exposure. The UV light damages the nylon that the zip ties are made out of. Other than that, we are losing some of the wires for the screen. They're breaking at the welds. That's to be expected over time. Eventually I'll get to a point where I'll just completely replace the screens because there'll just be too many of these sections that are like up here. They're broken away from the welds and loose. All right. Well, I'm going to keep going back through and finish up this job. Remember to ask questions and try things. Have a good one, everybody.